All right, what's up everybody? It's Kalen Moss, aka the MinuteAdmin here, and in this video we're going to learn about the different Salesforce certifications that are out there in the ecosystem. So let's get straight to it. So far we have learned about the different trails, trail mixes, the career paths, the super badges, the communities that you can join. But let's look at the certifications you can get. So hover over credentials at Trailhead and click on certifications when you get there. And when you get there, go ahead and just look at the different certifications you can get based on being a Salesforce administrator. So you can get the Salesforce admin certification, advanced admin. You can get all these different certifications here. Now, notice how there are different admin certifications. So this is more around the admin role at a company. So you could get the Marketing Cloud Administrator certification, CPQ specialist. It really just depends on if you decided to do more of an admin role at your company or decide to do that as a career path. You can click on Salesforce Architect right here. You can look at the different architect certifications down here. And then you can click on Developer and you can look at all the certifications here. You can just keep on clicking through these different roles and look at all the certifications in these different roles here. So I would just say go through this and look at these different roles based on the career path you decided to choose from an earlier video that we had where we decided to look at these different career paths here. Also, if you want to earn different certifications like Tableau, Slack, or MuleSoft, just click on these, open these in a new tab, and look at the certifications you can get in MuleSoft. Look at the Slack certifications you can get and look at the Tableau certifications you can get. All this stuff is going to just boost your status in the Salesforce ecosystem and make you more marketable and employable and actually raise your income even more. I would say look at every certification you get as probably raising your salary around $5,000 to $10,000, especially if you're talking about getting some really advanced certifications like these consultant certifications or getting these developer certifications or architect, like especially if you got an architect certification, which is going to be much later down the road. I would say, you're going to be boosting your career insane and your earning potential insane here. So credentials are the first place I go if I'm looking to first place I would go if I was looking to really decide on a career path and see what sort of certifications are out there. Am I interested in this? I've already looked at the different career paths. I want to see which certifications are available to me based on the career path that I'm looking at, and basically probably make decisions based off of that. I don't know. Everybody's different. You can choose which certification you want based on different criteria, but I would say come here, look at the different certifications. Also understand that you have to maintain your certifications, so you have to keep up with them a few times a year. So you'll get an email based on what you signed up for here for your Trailblazer account, but when it's time to update your certification or maintain it, you'll get an email notifying you, or you should, unless you have emails turned off for Trailhead, you should get an email here saying, hey, maintenance is due for this specific certification you have. So then you would just come in here. Let's say you had to do this JavaScript Developer 1 maintenance certification. You'd come in here, you'd do this unit, and then you would come in here and finish it up by taking a quiz. So that's how you do that. That's how you maintain a certification. You can verify people's certification by searching for them here. So you can verify a Salesforce professional, or you can check a status here. So you just search someone's name and you could find them here. You could also take free certification prep. There's these things called Salesforce certification days. Basically, it's a really in-depth class or maybe even a high-level overview class depending on which topic you're learning. And you can come here, register for free. Let's say you were getting the Marketing Cloud certification. You could click on View under Marketing, and you could search for maybe one of these certification prep days that are coming up. So there's one that's coming up January 10th, 2022 at the time of me recording this, and you can click on register, and it'll help prep you for the Marketing Cloud Email Specialist cert. So you can do that with other certs as well. All the links, like I said, and all of my previous videos will be in the description below. But that's pretty much it for certifications. Now in the next video, we're going to leave Trailhead, and I'm going to show you the different blogs you can go to, start learning from different people in the Salesforce ecosystem, and show you what these other experts are talking about on their own websites. So if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, share this with friends, share this whole playlist with friends, and, build that ecosystem up. Share, hit that like button so more people see this. And with that being said, MinuteAdmin out.